Aviros launch artificial intelligence-based aircraft engine inspection tool Percept. Pratt & Whitney, a subsidiary of Raytheon Technologies, which is into the design, manufacture and service of aircraft engines, on Tuesday announced that it had launched an advanced artificial intelligence-based aircraft engine analysis tool Percept at the ongoing week-long Paris Air Show. Percept is a product that operates on top of the Indian startup Aviros video intelligence operating system. Its cloud-based interface allows users to capture images and videos of aircraft engines on their mobile devices and receive real-time responses on parts availability.